Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Now today I'm going to show you this lovely card I got in the mail from another demonstrator, Elaine, and I'm going to show you how to make it. I just think this card is so cute. Thank you so much, Elaine, for sending it to me. So I'm going to show you how to make it, including a couple of really handy die cutting tricks. This beautiful card uses the Honeybee bundle from the Spring Mini catalog, the stamp set and dies you can see here, and I just really love the sentiment that she's chosen, which is part of this set. Thinking of you, sweet friend. What a perfect sentiment for those just because cards that we send to brighten someone's day. So the measurements are very simple. You've got a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches. And you've got your DSP, which is 4 by 5.25 inches. And then you've got a piece of gold foil that is 2 5/8 inches square, and white cardstock that is 2.5 inches square. And you'll also need some scrap white for the sentiment and the bees. Now I'm going to be using the Golden Honey Specialty DSP from our recent celebration. So if you have some of this paper lying around, this is a perfect way to use it up. Or if not, you can just use any other paper that you like. So I'll start by stamping the beehive in Daffodil Delight ink on the white cardstock square. And I'll also stamp my sentiment and the bees in black ink on my scrap cardstock. Now, our first die cutting trick. We can see here on Elaine's card that she used a square of gold foil to go behind her white cardstock square. Now, if you're like me, using that much gold foil just to be a background and only seeing that teeny little 1/8 of an inch border, it just might hurt your heart a little bit. But don't worry, we are going to get our use out of this foil because we're going to use this honeycomb die right in the center of it. So now, when we take that die off, we've got these beautiful little honeycomb shapes that we can use to decorate. And once we put the white cardstock over top, you won't even know that there's a giant hole in it. So that's our first little die cutting trick, yeah? Our second die cutting trick is that I do not yet have these adorable little dies. They're called the Stitched So Sweetly dies that Elaine used here. They're on my next order, believe me, because I think they're fantastic. So I'm going to use my Ornate Frames dies, but there isn't one in that set that's the exact right size. This one here is going to be too big for this sentiment. So check out these photos of how to make a larger die fit a smaller sentiment. So cool, right? Now I'm going to color in the stripes on my bees with my dark daffodil blend and cut them out on the Bake Shot. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific you'd like to learn about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, my local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me to start planning your own online or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!